So as some of you know, I always like to pull a wardrobe together before I head out to kind of give me an idea of what I'll be wearing throughout my getaway. So I'm heading over to a conference in South Africa, and these are some of the looks. I just got this cute piece in, super cute. I love this designer. I think it's called Farm. I can't find the tag, but it's still on there. So cute. This is also by the same designer. Yeah, it's called Farm. These pieces are so cute. Farm. They're a little pricey, but they're a great piece, a staple piece. Here goes another little ensemble that I just thought was super cute. I love this skirt. It has like these pearls inside the hem, inside the interlacing of this gown, or skirt rather, and these cute little brocade sleeves. Here goes another ensemble, the little African feel, the belt custom by the Maasai women of Africa, and then here goes another little, I think I'm gonna wear this on one of our boating excursions that I'm gonna do, a linen look. Yeah, so don't pay attention to all the things in the room. This is my dressing room, literally. This is where I come and get all my stuff together, my looks, to see what I'm going to wear, what kind of purses we're gonna be rocking, what kind of suitcases we need. One of my bags from the amazing Lake Como, super duper cute. So guys, let's see if I can pull off all of these looks while I'm doing the things that I do. So stay tuned. Let me know your thoughts on the wardrobe and the process. Yes, I'm only taking 2 bags. Let's see if I can do it, guys.